Should we make a donation today?
Don't you maybe take the ticket? Oh, sorry. हामी चाहिँ आइपुग्नुभयो चाबी लाको छ टिकट लिनुपर्छ नि ए कति हो एकजनाको मिकोरको
एउटाको 500
500 ए
एउटाको 500 हो नि दुईटा गुम्बामा गएन आफ्नो खुसी
पहिलाको भर्याङ अहिलेको भर्याङ One is here, one is there, middle one is behind. The middle one is puja room. Yeah, the most important this one. This one, it had the air old, this is a natural one, the painting is 50th century painting, like this. You can come so lucky because this is so far. Yeah, yeah. You circle 3 times, so, then you take anything. Oh. Sorry. Oh, careful. Monastery, yeah, you know. The true monastery, this one upper monastery, that's a low monastery. Most important, this one. And this, here, this one, 800-year-old. Yeah. Here, 3 caves. One cave here, one cave in the middle one cave behind. The most important, this one. The many people visit it. This one, 800-year-old. One reason. 2 reasons is the inside natural by stone, small one inside. And 3 reason this painting, 15th century painting. This one so old. From there we never repeated because we don't know this painting also older. You can see top. There are some mandala, not mandala. Then outside, 8 meditation lama outside. This is Stupa. The top, this like this. Then you are circle 3 times. Then we take blessing because blessing is important in our life. Happiness, long life, peaceful, lucky. Yeah, we want this. Good weather.
Yes, good weather. Like this. The 3 times circle. Then you touch everywhere. Then you take blessing. This is important. Some people come, then see, they go back, look, they go back. It is not as empty. Because you are come from so far. Why are you coming here? Because it is an order that we take blessing. Yeah, like this. You are so lucky because you can come here. You have get good guide. Because some tourists go back everywhere. Zara in Lomatang go back, cannot come in here. Because they had no luck. You are lucky because it is not ordered this way. And you 3 times circle, then touch everywhere.
3 times.
How many circles?
3 times.
Belum itu punya, kita nak jarak pun.